Hi guys, my name is Elisa, your English teacher. And in this lesson, we are going to learn everything you need to know about the prepositions of time: at, in, on. But we are going to do that in a little bit creative way. So first, we will test your knowledge. You will need to answer the question. After that, we will learn the rule about the usage of certain preposition. And at the end of the lesson, we will do the summary on how to use the prepositions of time: at, in, on. So, if you are ready, let's get started. Prepositions of time: at, in, on. Choose the correct preposition at, in, on to complete each sentence. So, the question number 1. I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up in 7 o'clock in the morning, or I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, or I wake up on 7 o'clock in the morning. Please choose the correct answer. Okay, good job. The correct answer is I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Please repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. So the rule is, we use the preposition at in the sentence I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning to specify a precise point in time. The preposition at is used to indicate specific times such as hours, minutes, and moments. In this sentence, 7 o'clock represents a specific hour when the action of waking up occurs. That's why we use at in this sentence. Okay, the next question. She starts school September. She starts school in September. She starts school at September, or she starts school on September. What is your answer? Yes, you're right. She starts school in September. In September. The rule is, we use the preposition in to refer to month, seasons, years, and longer periods of time. That's why we use in this sentence. How about this sentence? We celebrate Christmas 25th December. In, at, on. Please choose the correct answer. Yes, you're right. On December 25th. We celebrate Christmas on December 25th. The rule is, we use the preposition on before specific days and dates. In the sentence, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th, the preposition on is used because it indicates a specific date. So we use the preposition on before specific days and dates. How about this sentence? It snows a lot, winter. It snows a lot in winter. It snows a lot at winter, or it snows a lot on winter. Please choose the correct preposition. Yes, you're right. It snows a lot in winter. It snows a lot in winter. The rule is, we use the preposition in to refer to month, seasons, years, and longer periods of time. Month, seasons, years. Okay, the question number 5. I take a shower the evening. I take a shower in the evening, or at the evening, or on the evening. Please choose the correct preposition. Yes, of course, in the evening. I take a shower in the evening. The rule is, we use in to refer to periods of time such as parts of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, month, seasons, and years. That's why we say in the evening. Okay, the sentence number 6. I go to bed night. I go to bed in night, at night, or on night. Yes, you're right. At night. I go to bed at night. The rule is the preposition at is used in the sentence I go to bed at night to specify a precise point in time. In this case, night refers to a specific time of day, and at is used to indicate the exact time at which the action going to bed occurs. That's why we say at night. Perfect. The sentence number 7. I visit my grandparents Sunday. In Sunday, at Sunday, or on Sunday. Of course, on Sunday. I visit my grandparents on Sunday. The rule is we use on before days of the week to indicate a specific point in time. In the sentence, I visit my grandparents on Sunday, we use the preposition on to indicate a specific day of the week. So, on Sunday means that the visit to your grandparents occurs on that particular day of the week. That's why we say on Sunday. Okay, the question number 8. My parents got married 1985. In 1985, at 1985, on 1985. So, what's your answer? Yes, you're right. In 1985. My parents got married in 1985. The rule is we use in to refer to periods of time such as parts of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, month, seasons, and years. That's why we say in 1985. 1985 is the year. So we say in 1985. The question number 9. They eat salad lunchtime. In lunchtime, at lunchtime, on lunchtime. Please choose your answer. Yes, you're right. They eat salad at lunchtime. At lunchtime. The rule is we use the preposition at in the sentence they eat salad at lunchtime to indicate a specific point in time when an action, eating salad, occurs. In this case, lunchtime refers to a particular time of day, and at is used to pinpoint that moment. At is commonly used with specific times, such as hours, meal times, and other specific points in time. That's why we say they eat salad at lunchtime. And finally, the question number 10. My birthday is the 8th of July. In the 8th of July, at the 8th of July, on the 8th of July. So, what's your answer? Of course, on the 8th of July. My birthday is on the 8th of July. The rule is we use the preposition on in the sentence my birthday is on the 8th of July because on is commonly used to indicate specific days and dates. In this sentence, the 8th of July refers to a particular date. So we use on to specify that the event, your birthday, occurs on that specific day. That's why we say on the 8th of July. Great job! I'm very proud of you. And now it's time to summarize everything that we have just learned. Prepositions of time, at, in, on. So we use at with the clock times. For example, at 8 o'clock, at 7:30 a.m., or at 7:30 a.m. We use at with meal times and breaks. At breakfast time, at break time. And some other time phrases as at night. So we say in the morning, but we say at night. Okay, so when do we use the preposition in? We use the preposition in with months. For example, in January, in March. Also, we use it with seasons. In spring, in winter, in summer, in fall. Also, we use it with parts of the day. For example, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But remember, at night. And we use it with years. For example, in 2023 or in 2023. The preposition on, we use it with the dates. For example, on the 18th of June or on the 1st of May. So we use on with dates. Also, we use on with the days of the week. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Friday, and so on. Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please remember to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below. So I'll see you in my next lessons. See you soon. Take care.